So I think we are present to discuss this question. तो हेलो एवरीवन, मुझे कृपया ये बताओ कि तुम्हारे जेईई मेंस कैसा गया। बताओ बताओ। हाउ वाज योर जेईई मेंस 24 जनवरी। और सभी अपने मार्क्स कमेंट में लिखो कृपया करके। अपने कमेंट में नाम लिखो, मैं तुम्हारा ये देखूंगा। सो हाउ वाज योर एग्जाम, काइंडली टेक्स्ट मी। मैं आई एम रेडी टू हियर। तुम लोगों से मैं सुनना चाह रहा हूं, है ना, कि कैसा गया। बताओ मुझे, बताओ मुझे। मैं ये देखना चाहता हूँ। बताओ बताओ। बताओ मुझे कैसा गया, कैसा गया, तुम्हारे कितने मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, बताओ। सो आर यू रेडी टू रॉक, आर यू गेटिंग टू गेट 100% मार्क्स। क्योंकि पहला पेपर थोड़ा इजी था, मेरा ये बोलना है, पहला पेपर इजी था। आज पहले शिफ्ट का पेपर वो मैंने भी देखा। उसमें एक या दो क्वेश्चन अभी लेंदी थे, नहीं तो वो बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन था। तो आप लोगों को 100 में से कम 96 मार्क्स तो लाने ही पड़ेंगे। ओके। तो 100 में से 96 मार्क्स कितने लोग लाने के तैयार हैं? बताए मुझे, कृपया मुझे बताए। आर यू रेडी टू रॉक? सो तो पहला क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ लेता हूं। अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन दे दिया जाए तो कैसे आप सॉल्व करोगे? मुझे सॉल्व करके बताएं। और अपनी पेन पेपर निकाल के ये क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करें कृपया। तो अब ब्लड है, लेकिन सॉल्व करें, क्वेश्चन तो यही है। अपना जी मीन्स तो यही है। फिफ्थ टर्म, सिक्स्थ टर्म, सेवेंथ टर्म, दे आर इन अ बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन, दे आर इन जीपी। तो हमें बताना है कि कैसे क्या हो रहा होगा। ओके। तो ये बताएं, कृपया इसका आंसर दें। क्या आप लोग कनेक्ट हो चुके हैं? मुझे मैसेज करके बताएं। तो अब ये स्टार्ट करते हैं, है ना। वी वेटेड फॉर सम सेकेंड, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो फिफ्थ टर्म, we know that r plus 1 is nothing but if we have n plus r, so n plus 4 cr. एंड एक्स टू द पावर 2r लिख दीजिए, जो भी कीजिए, है ना। तो अगर ये फिफ्थ टर्म हुआ तो ये n+4 ओके, ये हो गया। सिक्स टर्म n+4 c 5। सेवन टर्म n+4 c 6। they are in AP, that means 2n+4 c 5 is equal to n+4 c 6 into plus n+4 c 5। 5 नहीं, ये 4 होगा, है ना। तो ए बी का क्या होता है, 2b इक्वल टू a+c। अगर ये हम जानना चाहे, ये 2 है, ये n+4 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n-1 फैक्टोरियल 5 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू n+4 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 6 फैक्टोरियल n-2 फैक्टोरियल प्लस n+4 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n फैक्टोरियल 4 फैक्टोरियल। सो दिस इज द मैथमेटिक्स। हमें यहां से n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। तो अगर यहां देखा जाए तो n+4 गया, इसमें से सबसे बड़ा n है, तो n से n फैक्टोरियल से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ये n हो गया। सबसे छोटा 4 है, 4 कैंसिल हो गया, तो ये 5 बच गया। ये n-1 बच गया, ये 5 इंटू 6 हो गया, और इधर 1/1 हो गया। फर्दर मूविंग अहेड, तो अब एलसीएम ही लेना पड़ेगा। तो ये हो गया 12n -30 n स्क्वायर माइनस n, दिस इज n स्क्वायर -13n -30 इक्वल टू 0। तो n का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। क्या इक्वेशन यही आ रहा है, ये देखना पड़ेगा। लेट्स कैलकुलेट n इक्वल टू 13 प्लस माइनस √b स्क्वायर -4ac। ओके, 289 आ जा रहा है। ये 289 विच इज 16 स्क्वायर 256 17 ओके। तो ये 30/2 15 हो जाएगा, और एक निगेटिव होगा वो रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा, तो n 15 हो गया। तो n 15 हो गया। तो अब है क्या कि ग्रेटेस्ट टर्म इन द एक्सपेंशन होता है 15 + 4 19 नियर टू मिडल टर्म, है ना। तो 19 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 9 फैक्टोरियल 10 फैक्टोरियल, दिस विल बी द ग्रेटेस्ट टर्म। ओके, या तो हमारे कैलकुलेशन में कुछ एरर हुए होंगे। तो ये हो जा रहा है the greatest term in the binomial expansion is what? Okay, so इसको एक और अटेम्प्ट देते हैं। लेट्स गिव अस वन मोर अटेम्प्ट। चलिए, लेट्स गिव इट वन मोर अटेम्प्ट। सो t फिफ्थ टर्म n+4 c 4 t6 n+4 c 5 t7 n+4 c 6। we have to say that they are in AP, that means 2 n+4 c 5 equal to n+4 c 4 n+4 c 6। ओके, तो इसको पहले ऐसा करते हैं, 2 n+4 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n-1 फैक्टोरियल 5 factorial n plus 4 factorial 4 factorial n plus 4 factorial n minus 2 factorial 6 factorial। अब है क्या है, ओके ये n प्लस 4 n प्लस 4 n प्लस 4 n प्लस 4 गायब। 6 फैक्टोरियल से मल्टीप्लाई करें, ओके तो 2 इंटू 6, अगर n से मल्टीप्लाई करें n फैक्टोरियल तो ये n हो जाएगा। 6 फैक्टोरियल से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 30 हो जाएगा, प्लस यहां हो जाएगा n माइनस 1। तो पिछली बार हमारे कैलकुलेशन में कुछ एरर आ रहे थे शायद, तो n स्क्वायर माइनस n विच इज 13n प्लस 30 इक्वल टू 0। नहीं ये तो सही आ रहा है बॉस, ये तो सही आ रहा है बॉस। तो n की वैल्यू यहां से 13, ओके प्लस माइनस 169 माइनस ओके 120, हम लोगों ने पिछली बार ऐड कर दिया था है ना, तो ये हो जाएगा 13 प्लस माइनस 7/2 जो 10, और 13 माइनस 7 क्या हो रहा है, 6/2 3 हो गया। तो अब इधर देखें कि अगर n को 3 रखते हैं है ना, तो भी काम पॉसिबल है, और n को 10 रखते हैं तो भी पॉसिबल है। n 0 हो सकता है, NC5 ओके 6 टर्म है तो 3 तो पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि 6 टर्म है, 5 टर्म है, तो 3 में से 5 टर्म लाना पॉसिबल नहीं है। सो n is 10, ओके नाउ n is 10, what will happen, we have to find the binomial coefficient। so binomial coefficient which is maximum is nothing but if it is 2n factorial it is n factorial n factorial। so this is 10 factorial 5 factorial 5 factorial। now we'll have to find 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, and we have at the bottom 120, 5 factorial 5 factorial cancel, so 10 8 6 480, so if we cut it we are getting 4, okay the greatest binomial coefficient, okay 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 so n is 10, that means 14, okay this is 7 and 7, this is 14 because we have n plus 4 which is 14 14 7, okay let's check it। wait a second, आंसर क्योंकि मैच करना पड़ेगा है ना। This is 14 factorial upon 7 factorial 7 factorial, so this is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8, and we have 7 into 8 7 6 5 4 3 2, 7 2s are 14, 6 5s are 30, okay 4 this is 8 9, okay 4 2s are 2 3s are 3 3s are 5 2s are 3 4 ja. So we are getting something different. 52 into 66. So greatest binomial coefficient in the expansion is 62. 52 into 62. We are given 1035. We can say that it can be 8 term which can be maximum. So we have 10 term. Okay, so the answer should be that what is n? N is equal to 10. So n is equal to 10, so we have matching one of the option, n equal to 10. This is it, okay? So number of 3-digit number divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So P2 intersection 3 is nothing but number divisible by 6. So if you see, the first number is 102 and it will go up to 16 6 996. So how many terms are there? The terms are 17. This is 166 and this is 17. So 166 minus 16. 150 terms are there which are divisible by 6. Now it should not be divisible by 4. Okay. So the term which is divisible by 4 is 100. Okay, 100 itself. 2 996. Okay, so how many terms are there? 25. This is 4 2 9. 24 term minus, it is 2 3 5. 235 terms are there which are divisible by 4. The number which are divisible by 9. 108 999. So this is 111 minus 11. So 100 terms are there which are divisible by 9. Okay, so numbers which are divisible by 4 and 9. So that means 36. 36 3s are 108. And is it divisible by 36? 4 ja 36. 4 ja 144. So we will have to check 996 divided by 36. 4 9 ja 4. 2 ja. So 3 3 ja 27. 27. Okay, so I think we are going to some get term sum which is near to 21 and this is third. So 21 minus 2, 19 terms are which are divisible by both 4 and 9. So sum divisible by only 2 and 3 minus P 4 union 9 is nothing but 150 minus okay, if a number is divisible by 2 or 3, if you say, and if you are doing and, we are getting only this. So see, we have some question error. So P2 is what? 100 to 998. So 400 terms are there which are divisible by 2. P3 number is 102 to 999. So 102 is nothing but 34 333, 300 terms. Okay, so we have simply 700. It is also P3 union 4. 700 minus 700 minus, it is OR, okay, OR 700 minus 150, okay, minus of 235 plus 100 minus 19. If you solve this, it is 700 plus 700 minus 150, okay, it is 550. This is 335 plus 19. So this is something 550 minus 316, and this is 4 3 2 234. So this should be the answer. Okay, I think you got it. So determinant of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of A. So it is nothing but determinant of A, n minus 1 to the power 4. So if you say determinant 2, n is 3, 3 minus 1, 2 to the power 4, which is 2 to the power 16. Got it? This question we already solved earlier. This is L hospital. If you put 0, it is 0 by 0. Okay? It is 0 by 0. So if you do it, 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus cos square x plus sin x plus 4 upon sin x, limit x tending to 0. First step is rationalize it. Okay, if you rationalize, we'll multiply with the similar term, like with the plus term. So it is 2 cos square minus cos square is cos square x, 3 cos x minus sin x minus 4, and we have at the bottom, we'll have at the bottom some term, and we have sin x, some term in the sense this plus this. We'll put 0. It is nothing but root 5 plus root 5. This is what, this is it, and this is sin x. Okay, so we'll go. Okay, so at 0 this is 0, so we'll apply L hospital, which is nothing but 2. Okay, wait. Okay, wait, we have some technical issue for some second. चार्ज में लगा करोगे ना बेटा. Okay, so we are coming to, wait, we'll start with this question. Okay, let's start. If we have to solve this question, we are solving once again. Okay, wait. We got up to limit x tending to 0, we got, yes, and it was sine x, and we did rationalize, so it came out to be 2 cos square x minus cos square x. Okay, minus sine x plus 3 cos x. Okay, minus 4, and we have root 5 plus root 5. If we go further, it is nothing but cos square x. It is cos square x minus sine x plus 3 cos x minus 4 upon 2 root 5 sine x. Now what will happen? We have limit x tending to 0, isn't it? So we'll apply with L'Hospital. So at the bottom, sine x is cos x, which is root 2 root 5, and at the above it is 2 cos 0, 2 cos sine, this will become sine, this is 0, sine will become cos, so it will become minus 1 by 5. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's move ahead. A vector is this, B vector is this, and C vector is coplanar. So we can say that C vector is nothing but x A vector plus y B vector. Now we are told that A dot C is nothing but x A vector whole square y A vector dot B vector, which is equal to 5. So it is x mod A whole square is 1, 4, 5, 5 plus 9, 14. And it is y A dot B is nothing but, it's A dot C, okay? No, A dot B, we have done dot B, okay? So A dot B is nothing but 3. So let's first keep it in the eraser side, okay? This is B, okay? A dot C, so we did A, so it was B, so we did A dot B. So A dot B is nothing but 3 plus 2 plus 5, 5 minus 3, which is 2. So this is the first equation. Second, C vector is perpendicular to B, that means B dot C is equal to 0. So B dot C is x A dot B. A dot B was 2 here, and B square is nothing but y, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So we can say that x is equal to 11y by 2 into minus 1, which is nothing but minus 11y by 2. Okay, and now we'll put in this equation x equal to minus 11 by 2, which is nothing but minus 11 by 2 into 14 into y plus 2y equal to 5. So this is minus 77y plus 2y equal to 5. So it's a minus 75, so y equal to minus 1 by 15. Okay, so now C vector is what? So we got y, we'll get x. X is nothing but 11 by 30. So see how rough answer is coming. So C vector is nothing but uh, if we take 15 common, minus 2. B vector is 3, 1, minus 1. And we have 30 out. And this we have 11, 1, 2, 3. We have 30 on the down. We have 11 minus 6, 5. 22 minus 2, 20. 33 plus 2, 35. We have to take mod of this. For that, we'll first take 5 common. We have 6, 1, 4, 7. So mod of this is what? 1 square plus 4 square. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 49. 17 plus 49 is 66. 66 by 6 is the answer. Okay, we have to find the mod. So mod of this one. So this is the answer. Okay, you got it, I think. Area of region. Area of region is this. So it is plus 2. Okay, it is plus 2. Yes. So area of region, it is y and this is x. So we got a graph like this. If you see, it is x plus 2 whole square minus 2, and this is y, this is x plus 2 mod. So x equal to minus 2 comma 0, and it is minus 2, so shifted by minus 2, and this is going somewhere like this. When x is 0, it is 2, it is going like this, and we have y mod x plus 2, so it will go somewhere like this and like this. When x is 0, it is also 2, so they are coinciding here. So area bounded by region. So y is less than equal to x plus this and this. So y is less than this. So this is the area we have to find. Okay. So what can we do is that in this case, if we take this symmetric, okay, if we take this symmetric, we are doing 2 times of integration minus 2 to 0. Okay, this line is x plus 2, x plus 2 dx. So this is the upper area, and the point at which it is 0, it is some different way. Okay, some different way. Okay, so what should we do is that if we go this side, when x is minimum at minus 2, what is y? So x is when y should it is minus 2, 0 comma minus 2, and it is going up to 0 comma 2. Okay, okay, we can't go even that way, so it is better to keep it x plus 2 whole square minus 2 0. So x plus 2 is equal to plus minus root 2. So x equal to plus minus root 2 minus 2. Okay, plus minus root 2 minus 2, that means it is root 2 minus 2. Okay, so we'll do integration of minus root 2 minus 2 to 0, x square plus 4x plus 2 dx. Okay, so we got somewhere this area. Now we have to work on this area. So we'll do plus 2 times of, if we integrate this area, this is going to be negative, we'll do mod. Okay, modulus means positive area. Minus 2 to 2 minus root 2 minus 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 dx. Now let's find it. area, 2 common, it is x plus 2 whole square by 2. So add 0, it is 4, add minus 2, it is 0. Okay, this is minus x cube by 3, so it is root 2 minus 2 whole cube. Okay, it's a calculative, so we call it lengthy, isn't it? Okay, it's calculative. Plus x square by 2, that means 2x square is what? 0 minus, this is also minus, so it will go to plus 2. X square is 2 minus root 2 whole square plus 2x, which is 2 times of 2 minus root 2. Okay, calculative. It's a calculative. Okay, it is 0, and it is 2 times of similar thing going in mod root 2 minus 2 whole cube by 3 plus 8 by 3, 2 2 minus root 2 whole square minus 8 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so we'll have to finally move to next slide. Area is 2 2 2 minus of 2 minus root 2 whole cube by 3. Okay, so this is like this. We have plus 2 2 minus root 2 whole square minus 2 2 minus root 2. We have very lengthy question. Okay, very lengthy. This is plus 2 mod divide by 3, 8 minus 2 minus root 2 whole cube, it is 2 4 plus 6 minus 4 root 2, 2 root 2 minus 8. Okay, this is mod because this area need to be positive, so 2 so we'll have one more 2 common. Okay, and this will become 1 root 2 minus 1 whole cube by 3, and this is 2 6 minus 4 root 2 minus 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay, plus 2 8 minus a cube plus b cube minus 3 a square b plus 3a b square. Okay, by 3 plus 12 minus 8 root 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 8 mod, this is 2 into 2, this is 2 plus 1 3 minus 2 root 2 plus root 2 minus 1 it is minus only. Okay, minus whole cube by 3. Okay, and this side we have, if you try to add mod for 2 to cancel, this is 12 root 2, 14 root 2. 12 minus 14 root 2 is nothing but 14 root 2 minus 12 by 3. Now it is 4, so minus 4, it is 6 plus 6 root 2. Okay, so this is positive, this is positive. So overall answer is going to be 4. 3 minus 2 root 2 minus root 2 minus 1 whole cube by 3 plus 14 root 2 minus 12 by 3 plus 6 root 2 minus 4. So this is the lengthy question. Okay, so dy by dx and this, so we have simply integrating factor e x 1 plus x square dx is integrating factor. If we find it, it is nothing but multiply with 2, divide with 2, it is root 1 plus x square. Okay, so it is e to the power ln root under 1 plus x square, which is 1 plus x square. Now we are getting 1 plus x square dy by dx plus x plus x upon 1 plus x square root 1 plus x square y equal to root x. It is nothing but differentiation of y into root 1 plus x square, and this is root x. If we integrate, it is y 1 plus x square equal to 3 to x 3 by 2 plus c. If you put x equal to 0, y is 0, so c is 0. So y1, now y1 is what? Y1 is y root 2 2 by 3. So y is equal to root 2 by 3. This is the answer. Alpha beta are real numbers such that sec square tan inverse cot sec square. So we can simply write 1 plus tan square tan inverse alpha plus 1 plus cot square cot inverse beta equal to 36. Okay, so we can say that it is 2 tan inverse tan is what? Alpha square plus beta square equal to 36. Now it is alpha square plus beta square is equal to 34. We'll add 2 alpha beta both the sides. It is 34 plus 2 alpha beta. This is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square, which is nothing but 64 minus 34. So we'll get alpha beta equal to 15. And we are told that alpha beta is 8. And alpha is bigger than beta. So alpha is 5, beta is 3. So alpha square plus beta is 25 plus 3, 28. Two persons A and B throw the dice alternatively. For A to win, he should throw sum 5 before B throws sum 8. Okay. Then if A throws first, the probability A wins. So probability of A winning is what? A win, A not win, B not win, A win, A not win, B not win, A not win, B not win, A win. So this is going, if you see, it is nothing but A win plus A win, A not win, B not win. We have A win, A not win, B not win whole square dot dot dot. So it's following somewhere a GP with infinite series, and the sum is nothing but A upon 1 minus R, isn't it? So probability of A win is getting sum 5. Okay. So getting sum 5 could be what? 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3. That's all. If we have 1, it could have maximum 4. If it has 2, it can have maximum 3. And we can have 4 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Okay. So we have 36 outcome, out of which 4 are favorable. Okay. So we can say 1 by 9. Probability of B win. So it should be 8. So it cannot be 1, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. So we have 5 out of 36 for win. So PA win is what? We'll do 4 by 36. 1 minus. A not win is what? 8 by 9. And B not win is 31 by 36. So if we multiply 36 into 9, it is what? 4 into 9, and it is 36 into 9 minus 8 into 31, which is 36 upon 9 6 are 54, 9 3 are 27, 27 plus 5 32, and it is 8 24. It is 6 7 36, which is nothing but 18 by 38, which is 9 by 19. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's move ahead. This is the probability distribution. So summation of xi. So in place of 4 and 5, so what will happen? We will have some number 4 and 5. So in summation of xi, if we minus 4 minus 5, and if we add 6 plus 8, can we say that we subtracted minus 9 and we added 14? That means we added 5. So this is 5. Now summation of xi square is 328. We'll have to subtract 4 square minus 5 square and add 6 square plus 8 square. So this will become nothing but 36 plus 64 minus 16 minus 25. This is 100. 428 minus 41, 7, 38. Okay. So variance is what? New variance is summation xi whole square by n minus mean square. Okay. So this is 387 by 10 minus mean square. So mean is what? 60 by 10, which is 6. And this is 327 by 10, which is 32.7. Okay. This is it. Yes. Find the product of this. Okay. So we'll say that this is 3. This is not 2. Okay. And if we put x square minus 9x plus 11 as t, we are going to get t square, and this is nothing but x square minus 9x plus 20. So 11 plus 9, and this is 3. So we can say it's a t square minus t minus 3 minus 9 minus 12 equal to 0. So we can say that it is nothing but 3 and 4. So t equal to 3 minus 3 and t equal to 4. Product of the root minus 12. Okay, sum of the root. So we can say that x square minus 9x plus 11 equal to minus 3. X square minus 9x plus 11 equal to 4. So x square minus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. X square minus 9x plus 7 equal to 0. This is x equal to 9. Product of the real root. Okay, so we can say that it is 14, it is 7. So 14 into 7 is 98. Okay. So we'll get two roots. Product of the real root. This is what 81 minus 56. So we are getting two roots, and from here we are getting two roots. So the product of the root is 14 into 7, 98. Okay. The image. So this question was repeated. So what will happen? This is 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 2 comma 4. Centroid of this is 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 2, 6, 6 by 3 is 2. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 by 3. So the image of this in this line is the image of centroid. Okay. So we can say x minus 2 upon 1, y minus 8 by 3 upon 2 equal to minus 2 times of 2 plus 16 by 3 minus 4 upon a square plus b square. X minus 2 y minus 8 by 3 upon 2. This is minus 2, 6, 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. So y is 0 and x is 2 by 3. So this is the reflection of centroid. Okay. This question also came in first shift. Okay. So we have simply y x. This will cut coordinate axis in 3 points. So at this point it is 0 comma minus 3. Okay. And this is a triangle. A circle is circumscribing with circumcenter minus 1 comma minus 1. The area of triangle is what? The area of triangle is, I think it was coming 6. Okay, 3. And this is x2 minus x1. Okay. Now if you write the equation of circle, it is nothing but x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to the distance of this point with 3 comma 1, which is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square 5. So when we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, we are getting x equal to 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. So x1 minus x2 is 4. So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 by 2 is 6. So this we did in the last question also. Okay. Last paper also. Now this is the question which is from exercise 2. This is fx minus f 1 by x equal to 35 upon 3x minus 5 by 2. We'll put x equal to 1 by x. We are getting f 1 by x. This is 6 times. Okay. Minus 6 fx equal to 35x by 3 minus 5 by 2. Now we'll multiply this equation with 6 and add. So it is 36. This is minus 35 fx. This is 35 upon 3x, multiply 6 and add. So it is nothing but, if we multiply 6 and add, okay, we have 3x, okay, plus 35 into 6 by 3 into x, and this is minus 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 into 6, which is nothing but 35 by 2. So we'll get fx equal to minus 1 by 3x minus 2x plus 1 by 2. Now we are told that limit x tending to 0, 1 by alpha x, okay, plus fx is nothing but minus 1 by 3x minus 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to beta, x tending to 0, x tending to 0. So if we say that this term cancels, will it work or not? So we'll say alpha equal to 3 and x is 0, beta equal to 1 by 2. So alpha plus 2 beta is nothing but 4. Okay, this is what we got it, isn't it? Let's move ahead. Now this is the equation. So what will happen is that we have I 9 comma 14. So we'll write 0 1 x 8 1 minus x 13 plus I 10 comma 13, which is 0 comma 1 x 9 1 minus x 12. Though this is 0 to 1 x comma 8 1 minus x to the power 12, and if you see, it is nothing but 1 minus x coming and from here x coming. This is dx. This is 0 to 1 x to the power 8 1 minus x to the power 12 dx. If you see it in the term of mn, it is nothing but 9 comma 13. So we have to give answer in this form. Okay, this is 9 comma 13. If S be a set of 10 distinct primes and A be set of product of 2 or more elements from the set S, so P is what? P is S belongs to S. That means, okay, so P is this. First S is 10 prime number Y1, A2, A10, and A is multiple of 2. That means 10C2, 10C3, 10C4, 10C10. Okay, so this much total elements are 2 to the power 10 minus 11. This is total elements, which is nothing but 10 13. Okay, now what will happen? You will find that A1 is multiplied with 9C1, 9C2, 9C3, 9C9. Okay, and similarly A2 will be having the same thing. A10 will be having same thing. Now if you see, if we are having A1 into A2, in A2 into A1 it is getting repeated. So what will happen is that we are somewhere getting 9C1 by 2 repetition, 9C2 by 3, because here we will have 3 repetition, isn't it? We will have 9C3 4, we will have 9C9 by 10. So this is our answer if you see. So what will happen? We'll multiply with 10 to whole number and divide with 10. We are going to get 1 by 10, 10C2, 10C3, 10C4, dot dot dot, 10C10. Okay, which is nothing but 1 by 10, 2 to the power 10 minus 11, which is 10.3. Okay, so this is coming somewhere like this. Okay, this is not coming like this. There will be one term 9C4 and 9C5. So this is it coming. And method 2. Method 2 meaning if we have A1, we have 9C1, 9C2, 9C9, and it will be going with A2, the same thing, dot 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 A10, the same thing. So we can say it is 10 into 2 to the power 9 minus 1, which is nothing but 5110. Okay, this question is again a bit simpler. We are going with Sn. It is nothing but 1, 1 into 2, 1, 2 into 3, 1, 3 into 4, plus dot dot dot. So TR term is nothing but 1 upon R, R plus 1, which is nothing but 1 upon R minus 1 upon R plus 1. If we do summation TR, okay, so R equal to 1 to N, okay, so it is nothing but 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by N, 1 by N plus 1. So these terms are getting cancelled. We are left with N upon N plus 1. And we are told that this is Sn. So S 2025 is 2025 upon 2026. So we can say that as 2025 into 2026 is 2025. If we take root under, it is 45. Now we are told that absolute value of difference of 20th and 15th term. So okay, so we got this thing with first term. So n term is this, the sum of sixth term of AP with the first term equal to minus P plus 5D. This is the sixth term. With common difference P, which is 4P is 45. That means P is 45 by 4. The absolute value of difference between 20th term is what? 19D minus 14D which is 5p, which is 5 into 45 by 4. 15 term is 14. So the difference is 5, isn't it? Which is 225 by 4. This is the term, okay? Now the system of equation has infinite solution. So infinite solution, that delta x, delta y, delta z is 0. So we should make delta equal to 0. For that we have 2 minus 1, 2, 5, 47, 300 minus 2 lambda mu equal to 0. Okay, so let's solve it. 2, 47 mu plus 6 lambda plus 1, 5 mu minus 300 plus 2 minus 10 lambda plus minus 14,700. Okay, equal to 0. Let's solve it. 94 mu 12 lambda 5 mu minus 300 minus 20 lambda minus 9400. By the grace of God, it should come out to be in the form of 99 mu. Okay, 99 mu minus 8 lambda. I think this is minus then. Okay, this question is minus. Okay, minus 8 lambda is equal to 9700. Got the answer? This is x plus 2 whole square fx plus 3. So apply a Leibniz formula. Okay, differentiate. F dash x 6 x plus 2 x plus 2 fx, we are getting f dash x x plus 2 whole square plus fx x plus 2 6 x plus 2 equal to 0. Divide by x plus 2 whole square. I think this is fx x plus 2 plus 6 x plus 2. So this will go like minus 6 by x plus 2. This will become ln x plus 2. So it is x plus 2 into fx, and here x plus 2 dx integration, which is nothing but minus 6x plus c. So if you see, it is fx equal to minus 6x plus c by x plus 2. If we put x equal to 0, we are getting f. If we put x equal to 0, we are getting f0 equal to c by 2. And in real equation, we are getting 4 f0 plus 12 equal to 0. So f0 is minus 3. So c equal to minus 6. So c is minus 6, then it is minus 6 x plus 1 x plus 2. And f2 is what? F2 is, so F2 is 18 by 4, which is 4.5. So this is the answer. Okay. So this question is nothing but the good question of function. So if we do f1 minus x plus fx, it is going to be 1 minus x. In place of x, we are writing 1 minus x. So let's see, it is 2, 1 minus x, 3 minus x plus 16 upon 1 minus x, 3 minus 2x, 2, 5 minus x plus 32 plus we have 2x plus 2 plus 16 upon 2 to the power 2x plus 1, 2 to the power x plus 4 plus 32. Now do we want to do something in the sense multiply with 2 to the power 2x. So it is 2x plus, we multiply with 2x plus 4, 2x plus 2x minus 1. So it is 2x minus 1. No. What will happen is that if we try to take LCM, it is 2 cube. Okay, if we try to take LCM, let's take it. It is 2 cube, 2 to the power 2x, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power x plus 32. And this is 16. This is 2 to the power minus x. This term is as it is. Okay, we'll wait for now. We'll go LCM. It is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2x plus 1. And at the bottom we have 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power x. X, it is 1 only. Okay, 1 only. 2 to the power x multiply 2 to the power x plus 1. Okay, plus 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 2x. Now what to do? We got 2x plus 1. Our aim was to get 2x plus 1. And 2x was also our aim. So if we divide by 16, okay, I think we are going to have something difficulty. Let's do it again. Use common sense. Don't start solving. Okay. Okay, it is 4x minus 1. So 4x minus 1, fx plus f, 4x minus 1. Okay, so it is 4x. It is 1. If we take it x, it is 4x minus 1. It is x. X is 1 by 15. So x is equal to 1 by 15. We can say 59 as 4 minus x. Okay, which is 59 by 15. So let's continue. Okay, fx plus f 4 minus x. We'll try to see this thing. Okay, so it is for fx we are correct. 4 minus x we'll see. 6 minus x 2 to the power 4, 2 4 minus x 9 minus 2x 2, 8 minus x 2 to the power 5. Fx is fx. Now what will happen is that we'll multiply 2 to the power 2x. It is 2 to the power x plus 6, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2x. Okay. So we have fx here. If we divide by 2 to the power 4, we are getting 2 to the power 2x plus 1, 2 to the power x plus 4, 2 to the power 5, which is 32. Now it's a 2 to the power x plus 2. This is 2 to the power 2x. Okay. Okay. We'll divide it by 2 to the power 4. Okay. Now we have 2 to the power x plus 2. And we have here 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 16 upon the whole term. And we'll get here 32 plus 2 to the power x plus 4, 2 to the power 2x plus 1. And if we see, it is 16. 16, 16, 16. We got 32 at the bottom. But what about the up? Up is 4 minus x, 6 minus x. Okay. So we are not getting this one. Okay. Let's wait. Let's move to next question and we will come back. Okay. So we have 1, 2. Okay, we have 2 more question. Okay, so let's start with the last question. Let P be this lies on ellipse. Okay, it lies on ellipse. So we got the relation between A and B. Also, product of focal distance of point P is. So we have a ellipse. So we have a point P root 3 1 by 2. So product of focal distance, that means PF1 into PF2 is equal to 7 by 4. Okay. We know that sum of the focal distance is 2a is equal to 2a. This is what we know. Okay. So find the eccentricity. So we'll have multiple eccentricities available, isn't it? So let's put 3 upon a square 1 by 4 b square equal to 1. So b is a square e square minus 1. So a square is there. And we have 3. 1 minus e square. Or we can say 4. 4. 1 minus e square. LCM 4 into 3. And here 1. So a square is nothing but 12. 1 minus e square. Plus 1 upon 4 1 minus e square. 13 minus 12 e square upon 4 1 minus e square. This is what we have. Okay. And we have pf1 into pf2. Focus is ae comma 0. Can we go with that? Ae comma 0. Ae minus root 3. If we square both the sides, pf1 square pf2 square plus 2 pf1 pf2, which is 7 by 2 equal to 4a square. So pf1 could be what? A minus root 3 whole square plus 1 by 4. A plus root 3 whole square plus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 2 equal to 4a square. Yes. Further we can say that it is a square e square. 2 times of a square is square. 3 plus 3 6. And we have 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 4 equal to 4a square. And we are getting somewhere a square e square plus 5 equal to 2a square. Okay. So if we say a square, it is a square minus a square square, which is b square, is 5. So this is it and this is it. Okay. We don't have to go with this side, isn't it? So now what will happen? We'll move to next side. Next side in the sense that we have 3 upon a square plus 1 upon 4b square equal to 1, and we have a square plus b square equal to 5. So we can say it is 3a square plus 1 by 4 or multiply 4 divide 4, 4b square equal to 1. If we take LCM, let's take LCM. Okay, 12b square plus a square equal to a square b square into 4, isn't it? So b square, a square is 5 okay, a square is 5 minus b square. We have b square, 4b square, 5 minus b square. We'll put b square equal to t. So 11t plus 5 equal to 20t minus t square into 4. We are getting 4t square minus 9t plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, we are simply getting b square equal to 1 or b square equal to 5 by 4. Okay. So we can say that b is 1. B is root 5 by 2. Now what will happen? B is 1. A square is 4. A is equal to 2. B is, when B is 1, When b is 1, b is root 5 by 2. When b is root 5 by 2, a is 5 by 4, sending that side, 15 by 4, a is root 15 by 2. So from here we can get that E1, 1 minus E1 square equal to 15 by 4, 5 by 4, 4 gone, 1 by 3, E square is 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So E is what? Root under 2 by 3. And here we have to try E. That means 2, 1 minus E square equal to 1. So E equal to 1 by root 2. So E1 into E2 is nothing but 1 by root 3. We got the answer. The line 2x plus 3y equal to 12 meets x-axis and y-axis at A and B. When y is 0, x is 6. When x is 0, y is 4. Okay, at A and B. The line through 5 comma 5 perpendicular to AB. So slope of this is, we know, slope of this is what? Minus 2 by 3. So equation of line y minus 5 x minus 5 equal to 3 by 2, which is nothing but 2x minus 10, 3x minus 15. This is 2y minus 10. Okay, so 2y equal to 3x minus 5. This is equation of AB or AC, AD, PQ, whatever you say, it is PQ. Okay, a line perpendicular to this one. This is PQ passing through 5 comma 5. Okay, so this line meets AB, meet x-axis, y-axis and AB at CDE. So C is x-axis where y is 0. So 5 by 3 comma 0. D is when x is 0, 5 by 2. E is point of intersection. So line is, so we have 2y minus 3x equal to 5 and we have 2x plus 3y equal to 12. In this we'll multiply with 2, 6x minus 4y equal to 10. We'll multiply 3, 6x plus 9y equal to 36. If we subtract, we are going to get minus 13y equal to minus 26. So y equal to 2. When y is equal to 2, x equal to 3. So E is nothing but 3 comma 2. Okay boss. O is origin. Okay. O is origin. So area of OCEB. So if you see that OCB, B is what? 0 comma 4. OCB, OCE, E is what? 3 comma 2. OCEB. So if you see, this is a trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half into, this is parallel side, 3 comma 2 is not parallel. Okay, it's not parallel. Okay, and E is point of intersection. E is point of intersection. So this is somewhere coming like this and somewhere coming like this. So this is E. So how to find such area? How to find such area? So we'll connect this one and we'll find this area. This is equal to area of OCB plus area of CEB. So area of OCB is half base into height, which is 10 by 3 plus half distance of 3 by 2 from this line, 2x plus 3y, which is nothing but mod of 6 plus 612. Okay. Okay, E is lying on the line itself. So this area is 0. So the answer is 10 by 3. Because E is lying nothing but here only. OCEB. It's a triangle. So we are done with all questions. We are left with only one question. So this is the last question. So in this question, what we want finally is that it should come out to be, so I am giving you 1 minute. Kindly solve it. I will be giving you the answer. Just wait. Okay. So we have to do something with this question, isn't it? So we will have to do something with this question. First, let me check that whether this question is correct or wrong. First, let me check that whether this is question correct or wrong. And till then, you all keep on solving. So 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 16. Let's solve it. Is that question wrong or correct? Let me see that. Okay, so let's try this question. In this, what will we do? First, we have fx. We'll try to take 4 common, it is 2 to the power x plus 4. And at the bottom, we'll try to take 2 common. We'll try to take 2 common. So whatever happens, we are going to write it. Okay, 2 to the power 2x, 16, 2 to the power x plus 32. If we see, it is nothing but 4, 2 to the power x plus 4. And if we take 2 common, we are going to get 2 to the power 2x plus 8, 2 to the power x plus 16. So it is nothing but 4, 2 to the power x plus 4 upon 2, 2 to the power x plus 4 whole square. Okay, so it is nothing but 2 upon 2 to the power x plus 4. Okay, so now if we put fx plus f 4 minus x, it is nothing but 2 upon 2 to the power x plus 4 plus 2 upon 2 to the power 4, 4 into 2 to the power x into 2 to the power x. So if we take 4 common, we have 2 to the power x plus 4 and we have 2 to the power x. We have 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 4. And if you see, multiply 4 divide 4. We are going to have multiply 4 divide 4. So 2 common, 2 to the power x. So it is going to be 1 by 2. So fx plus f4 minus x is going to be 1 by 2. Okay. Now what will happen? Now we started the process. F1 by 15, F59 by 15 is 1 by 2. So we are grouping. So we'll keep on grouping. So it will be F2 by 15 plus at F58 by 15. So we will keep on grouping. The between the middle term will come out to be 30, x equal to 2. So middle term will come out to be so it will keep on going 3, 4, 5 up to 30. So 30, if it is 30, 30 will be 1 by 2 and 31 will be 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 15. So the middle term will be what? We have to check that middle term. It will go up to 4, F3, F4, F5, F58. So 60. The difference should be 60. The sum should be 60. That means 30 F29 upon 15 plus F31 upon 50, and there is F1 by 2, F30 by 15, which is F2. which is alone, isn't it? Which is alone. I will share this PDF with all of you. So I am going to solve this one this side. It is what? F 1 by 15, F 59 by 15 is equal to 1 by 2, F 2 by 15, F 58 by 15 equal to 1 by 2. This will keep on going. We'll have F 29 by 15, F 31 by 15 equal to 1 by 2. And we'll have the one term which will be F 30 by 15, which is nothing but F2. So we'll put F equal to 2 and see what is happening. So it is nothing but 2 upon 8, which is 1 by 4. It will become 1 by 4, and these all are going to be 29 by 2. 29 times 1 by 2. So we'll add all of them, which is 58 by 4 plus 1. 59 by 4, which is nothing but 4 1 ja 4, 14.75. Okay, so we are done with this. This was the good question. So we are done with this. So what is the time we took? So we are done with everything. So everyone, best of luck for session 2. We will be joining soon for session 2.